What is business letter? Business letter are the most formal method of communication following specific format. They are addressed to a particular person or organization. Parts of business letter.
Heading. Heading consists of the name and address of the company on whose behalf a letter is written. Most business organizations have their letterheads print in bold letters with details of their title, address, telephone numbers, fax number, email address, etc. In case of print letterheads, in all form of letters, the heading is made at the head of the page, leaving equal space on both sides. In case of type heading, depending on the format being used, it may be mentioned to the right or left of the center, leaving suitable space below the top of the paper.
In a business letter, it is common to use a written format for the date to maintain a formal and professional tone. The written format includes the day followed by the month and year. The month should be fully spelled out and the year written with all four digits.
Inside address. The inside address contains more information belonging to the recipient and should be justified to the left margin of the letter and placed to space below the date. For very short letter, for space is acceptable. As in the heading, the inside address includes the street, city, state, and zip code of the recipient. All of which should be placed below the name of the business or organization to whom the letter is being written. Identifying words such as venue, circle, drive, and such shall be spelled out rather than abbreviated. When the recipient name, title, and position are known, they should be included as the first line in the inside address and placed directly above the name of the business or organization.
Salutation is a friendly, formal greeting for the reader. The type of salutation depends on your relationship with the recipient. It often begins with "dear" and always includes the person's last name. If you don't know the name or the gender of your receiver address, use "dear madam" or "sir" or "dear sales manager" or "dear human resources director."
Begin the body of the business letter to space below the opening salutation or attention grabber. Each paragraph should be single-spaced and left aligned to the left margin of the page with double space separating each paragraph. Double spacing the letter text is acceptable if the body of the letter is very short. This is done solely for comedic reasons, giving a more visually balanced look to the page. In such case, it is appropriate to indent the first line of each paragraph.
Complimentary clause is the word that conventionally comes immediately before the signature of a letter and express the sender's regret for the receiver. Complimentary clause appears before the sender's signature or name at the end of a letter. For example, of a formal complimentary clause include sincerely, respectfully, sincerely yours, and regret. Generally, those clauses should be followed by a comma in your full name and title.
The signature is the last part of the letter. You should sign your first and last name. The signature line might include a second line for a title if appropriate. The signature should start directly above the first letter of the signature line in the space between the clause and the signature line.